will make a great turkey. Yum yum for the kitties. Then I can add the little cookies. Ooh, delicious. And let's stir the soupy. Yum. Hey Barbie, is the dinner ready? Do I need to get ready? Oh, hey Chelsea. Hey honey bun. No, we're not ready yet. Just need to get ready the turkey and the biscuits. Why don't you get your brother Martin, doggy Tuffy, and go play outside? Yippee! More play outside! Let's go, Martin! Here, Martin, why don't you jump on the swing? I'll put Bunny for company. Let me push you a bit. Go, Martin, go! Let me push the bunny. Yeah, what a fun game. Oh, I'll go on the slide. Yippee! Love the slide. Go again. I'll go head first this time. Whoopee! Oh, hey, Bats. Hey, how are you doing? Oh, what? You're hungry? Let me get food for you. Here, Tuffy, here. How about another treat? Yum, yum. Yeah, we're also waiting with Martin for our dinner. I know you like it. Looks like a chocolate. Is this a chocolate? I think this is a chocolate. Martin, don't eat. This is doggy poop, Martin. Don't eat it. Barbie, quick, come here, Barbie. Oh my, Martin. Take this poop. Oh my goodness. How can you eat doggy's poopy? It's not a chocolate, silly you. I gotta give you a nice bath now. Before we take the bath, if you like our show, subscribe to Play Toys channel for more fun and playing time. With the Barbie pooper scooper. Here in the garbage. I don't know how can you confuse a poop with chocolate. And oh, Martin, don't get it. Don't get it, Martin. The last one. Okay, Martin. Now it's time to go in the bathtub to clean up all this doggy poo. This bathtub is ready. Oh, Barbie, can you please get us a that thing that makes bubbles? A bath bomb, please. Okay, get ready and jump in. Here is the bath ball. Let's get it ready for the kitties. Yellow bath bomb with petals and flowers. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, I am loving it. Oh my gosh, it's so fizzy. Quick. Martin, where are you? Oh, I need to take my baby and do a jumpy. Wow! Flowers. Come on, hurry up, Chelsea, hurry up. Yeah, quick. Gosh, I almost jumped with the shoes. Okay, Martin, let's clean this face. I can't believe you ate the doggy poo. And let's give you a nice bath. Can I get my duckies, Barbie? Yeah, coming. One green ducky floating in the bathtub. One orange ducky floating in the bathtub. One blue ducky floating in the bathtub. Yeah, now everything looks clean. Wash, 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 wash. Oh boy, I must be tired. I'm imagining big poo everywhere. Oh, close eyes, close eyes. Open eyes. Oh, silly me. These were just the duckies. For a moment I thought we had lots of poo. My dinner! It's burning! Chelsea, can you please take your brother out of the bathtub? I gotta go get the dinner. Oh my gosh, I forgot the dinner. It's been cooking forever. Uh-oh. Oh, all burned. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. Oh, my turkey's burnt. Okay, Martin, sit on your chair. Good boy, good boy. But I don't have turkey for you, sweetie. I think I'll have to make you a green pea puree. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy green peas. Why? Why don't you want it? It's so healthy and good. Yeah, well, it was Doggy's fault and the poopy. We don't have other food. Well, that's not gonna work. Let me check in the fridge. Let's check my Shopkins fridge. Let's see inside. Eggs, ice cream. No. I might have to take the waffle. Yeah, the waffle will do, and I'll get this fruit salad. Good idea. Here, Martin, fruit salad. So yummy, huh? Delicious, with banana, strawberries, and a nice waffle. With a little cream. Gosh, I forgot the door of the fridge. How is that, Martin, huh? Any better? Good boy, you ate it all. Oh, hey, Tuffy. Hey, Puppy Tuffy, are you hungry as well? I'll get you something. Here we go, sweetness. Oh, pooping on the ground this time. Good doggy. Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, please subscribe for more at Play Toys channel, Kids Toy channel.